Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. I hope you all are fine. Students, I hope up till now you are well understood about input and input devices, processing and processing devices, storage and its devices, and about output. That what is output. Now today I am going to complete the chapter by explaining you what is output devices. What are output devices? So students, open page number 21 of your book. Okay, now students, open page number 21. Today's topic is output devices. Now I am going to read it first, then I am going to explain it, okay? Processing of data produces useful information called output. The devices that are used to show results or output after processing are called output devices. Some commonly used output devices are monitor. Monitor is an output device that looks like a TV screen. It shows you the result of whatever you draw or types through a mouse or a keyboard. Then printer. A printer is an output device that helps in printing the output on paper. Third one is speaker. Speaker are the output device that are attached with the computer to give voice output. They give out all the sound instructions given by the computer. You can listen to any audio through the speakers. Now here they are talking about the output. As I told you before that after processing the result, when you get the result that we know after processing, when we get the result, that result would be known as output device. Okay, so what is the output? The result after processing is output. Like monitors, these are the simple types of output devices which you can easily see with your computer. Like number one is monitor. This is the basic because it's actually look like the TV screen. Okay, and it shows you the result. Whatever you are doing inside the computer, it shows you on the screen of the monitor. Okay, so that's why it's also look like a TV screen because it shows you the picture. Okay, now students, if we talk about the printer, when we get the output as in the hard copy in the paper, so that's we call the printing of your hard copy or soft copy. So that printing come out from the printer. Okay, now third one is speaker. When you get the output in the form of voice, so that voice come out through the speaker. When you give the instructions to the computer, they give you the output in the form of voice, and you can listen that audio through the speakers. Okay, now similarly they are showing you some fact that you can also use the headphone to hear the voice as the output. Okay, now students, move towards the book work. Okay, now students, let's start our book work. Open page number 22. Let's start our question number 1. You have to write the correct answer. Number A is the device used to give voice output is, as I told you right now, the device which give you the output as in a voice form, that would be your speaker. Secondly, the device also called pointing device is, the pointing device is your mouse. So take it right here. The device that has small buttons is your keyboard, because keyboard consists of keyboard conducts small keys inside it. Okay, Now move towards the page number 23. Number D is the device used to show a result on screen. Who show you the result on screen? Your monitor. So you have to tick over here, okay? Now number E is the device used to show a result on paper is your printer. As I told you that if you get the hard copy on your paper of your soft copy, that would be your printing from the printer. So take it, okay? Now look at question number 2. Look at the following pictures and write O for output device and I for input device, because I belongs to input and O belongs to output. Now look at the first picture. This is of printer, and printer gives you output in the form of hard copy on paper. So you have to write down O inside the box. Then come to the next picture. You can see the picture of keyboard. You can type any number, any alphabet, any thing, whatever you want inside the computer. So you are actually giving the instruction inside the computer, so that would be your input. So you can write I over here. Now rest of the two pictures you have to identify by your own self. Do it by your own self and send me in the picture. Now it's up for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.